Hello everyone, welcome to Big Data Knowledge Hunt. In the today's video, we will be seeing the topic named as polynomial regression. So it is the concept in machine learning which is used in the algorithm for analysis and introduction to regression and different types of regression I have already covered. Link to the videos will be in the description. You can go through it. So today we will be seeing what is meant by polynomial regression and how is the equation to calculate the polynomial regression. So polynomial regression is also known as polynomial linear regression. So it is somewhat similar to linear regression, but there is a difference between the nth degree which is related to the independent variable. So it is a form of linear regression in which the relationship between the independent variable x and the dependent variable y is captured or modeled based on the nth degree polynomial. So the degree is present, so it is known as polynomial regression. A regression equation is a polynomial regression equation if the power of independent variable is more than 1. So here the variable x power will be increasing as the equation goes on based on the coefficient of the relationship. So here is a figure. So this is the x variable which is independent and y is the dependent variable. So we are calculating the dependent variable based on the independent variable and we got this point. So the points is plotted in such way. So this is the line of polynomial regression. So this is the explanation how it is somewhat similar to linear, but it is somewhat tilted. As if we see the linear regression graph, it is a straight line graph. Here the graph is somewhat tilted due to the polynomial degree of the x. So the equation is y is equal to a plus b1x plus b2x square plus b3x cube plus dash 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 bn xn. So based on the coefficient, the independent variable power goes on increasing. Here it is 1, here it is 2, 3 and so on, it will go increasing. So this is the basic difference between the linear regression and the polynomial regression. So whenever we are increasing the degree, it will cause some error because to fit the graph based on the degree, it causes some error. So it may result in overfitting or underfitting. So if we see that if we try to fit a higher degree polynomial to get the lower error, it will cause the overfitting since the points are very scattered and it is difficult to analyze the relationship among the variables. So this may cause the overfitting, but this is a perfect polynomial graph since the points are equally distributed above and below the line. So they can be easily calculated. Whereas if we look at the curve towards the end and see whether those shapes and trend make any sense, it may also cause underfitting because here it is unable to decide the relationship. One point is here, the another point is here. So it is not showing a proper linear relationship as well as the polynomial relationship. So it will cause the underfitting among the data. So higher polynomials can end up producing weird results on extrapolation. So it is weird, unable to understand the relationship among the variables. So where are these polynomial regression concept used? So it is the real-time uses. Here are some of the real-time uses to find the growth rate of tissues. So if you are analyzing any data set of healthcare, if you are analyzing any tissue data set to find out how is the rate of growth, whether it affecting the health of the patient or not, so you can use the polynomial concept. Also to find out the disease epidemics, we can use progression of the disease, we can use the polynomial regression concept. Also to find out the distribution of carbon isotopes in lake sediment. So these are the some of the real-time uses where we can use the concept of polynomial regression. Sorry. So this was the basic introduction about the polynomial regression. What is polynomial regression? How is the equation of polynomial regression? And where it is used basically? And what are the different important concepts in polynomial regression? So I hope everyone is clear with the concept. For more videos on machine learning and big data, stay tuned towards my channel. Make sure you subscribe it and press the bell icon for the notification updates. You can also follow me on Instagram. The ID is provided in the description box. Thank you for watching the video, guys.